Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to start with boats and stream. So boats and stream concept, guys, is similar to the relative speed concept, but there is a slight difference in here. So there are two objects which are in relation to one another. The first one is the boat, or it can be sometimes a swimmer or stuff like that. Okay, swimmer. But the second object is not a boat, not a swimmer, but the second object is the water. Okay, or it is represented as stream, or it is said to be current. Okay, so this boat or the swimmer is in relation with water, stream, or current, whatever you may call it, or whatever the question calls it. Okay, so this is the case. Now there are some words which you have to understand, which you have to learn, that in what word is being used, then what do we have to do. That is, for a particular word, if we have to add the speeds or we have to subtract the speeds. Okay, so you just have to understand that. It's a very basic concept. So let us understand it. Acha, just think about it as a river. Whenever you're talking about a river flowing from a mountain, okay, a river is flowing from a mountain. Now the flow will be towards the downside. Okay, flow will be towards the downside. Now, if I say that a boat is moving with the current, okay, with the current. Now, with the current would mean where is the boat flowing? So current is flowing in this direction. So the boat is also coming in this direction. So what happens is, see, there is a slight push with the from the stream or the water for your boat. So the speed of boat will increase. So if the question says that the boat is traveling with the current, then you will do addition of speeds. Okay, addition of speeds. Now, every time, whenever it is there, current or anything, you will just consider the case that it is flowing from a mountain from top to down. Okay, this is what you will consider. Okay, come to the second one. For the second one, if it will say that against the current. Now, see, again the same case. You know that the current is flowing in this direction. Against the current would mean upward direction. So when you are moving, in opposite direction with someone, with see, let's say for an escalator, if you talk about an escalator, the escalator questions also based on the same concept. So if it is a escalator which is coming from up to down and you try to go from down to up, then it is going to cause a problem. It definitely causes a problem. Okay, so understand it like that way. So whenever it will be against, so the speed will get reduced and there will be a subtraction of speed. Okay, subtraction of speed. Okay, so these are two words which are used with the current or against the current. Okay, after that there is one more thing. Okay, two more words are being used. They are they represent the same thing, that is against or against the current and with the current, but just the words, different words are being used. The words are upstream and downstream. Now how do we remember what to do in which case? Now check it out. See, again, there's a mountain, and then there is a river which is flowing downward direction. Obviously river will flow in downward direction. Okay, so now what will happen? It is saying upstream. Now stream is coming down. Upstream would mean that the person is going up. Okay, so again, this one is against the current, so it will be, sorry, difference of speeds. Okay, difference of speeds. Okay, similarly for downstream, the current is moving in the downward direction, and down the stream means down. Okay, it will also be down. So here in this case is with the current. So what will we call this? In this, what we will do, the relative speed will be the addition of speeds. Okay, that is addition of speed of boat and that of the water. Okay, so this is it. Acha, after that, if it says that in still water, okay, in still water, then this means only speed of boat is what we are talking about. Okay, so whenever it is just saying that the boat of the speed of the boat in still water is xyz, whatever it is, then it means that the boat, it is only talking about the speed of the boat. There is no relative speed applied to it. Okay, so these are the basics, and these are the words which you have to remember to determine if the relative speed would be addition of that or subtraction of that. Rest everything is similar to the basic TSD, that is the formulas remain the same and everything else remains the same. Okay, now there's just one shortcut. which I would like to share to you. Okay, let's say that the okay, if you, let's say if you, sorry guys, if u is the speed of boat downstream and v is speed upstream, then speed in still is equal to u plus v by 2. Okay, speed in still water will be u plus v by 2, and speed of water will be v u minus v by 2. Okay, so if the speeds in upstream and downstream are given to you, then you can directly find out the speed in still water, and speed of the water. Okay, so these are the two shortcuts which can be used sometimes. So, and also escalator concept is also based on this. Sometimes in place of boat it can be a swimmer or something. Okay, so the concept remains the same, only the words are being the object is being replaced. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about that. So it goes on the same principle. So I hope you have understood this well. We'll solve the few questions in the next video. So thanks for watching the video, guys.